I'd like you to consider for a moment the fraction 11/3. And suppose that I ask you, what two whole numbers is 11/3 between? Well, it's kind of hard to say. Let's draw a picture and find out. I've drawn a number line and marked the thirds. We'll have 0/3, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3, 10/3. Here it is, 11/3. Now that we've drawn it, we can see 11/3 is between 3 and 4. In fact, if we start at 3 and count out 1/3, 2/3, we get to this point. 11/3 is 2/3 beyond 3. To indicate that, we can write so-called mixed number notation and say that 11/3 is 3 and 2/3. What is this mixed number notation? When we write a fraction as a mixed number, we write the largest whole number less than the fraction, and then a fraction that represents how far beyond that whole number our fraction is. Notice that the fraction part of a mixed number will always be the same kind of fraction, that it'll have the same denominator as the fraction we're describing. Also notice that the fraction part of a mixed number must always have its numerator smaller than its denominator. Why? Well, if we want an entire 3/3, 1, 2, 3/3 beyond 3, we'd get all the way to 4. Another way to think of that is the fraction part of our mixed number always has to represent something shorter than a whole unit. I'm going to have you try one of these. Plot the number 7/5 on a number line. Then write 7/5 as a mixed number. Pause the video and try this now. Well, here's a number line. I'm going to mark my units, 0, 1, 2. And now I'm going to divide each unit into 5 equal parts to get the fifths. So these numbers are 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. 6/5, 7/5. Ah, there it is. There's the number I'm interested in. Well, it's going to be 1 and something, because 1 is the whole number before this. 1 and 1/5, 1 and 2/5. We can write the fraction 7/5 as 1 and 2/5. Notice we say the word and between the name of the whole number and the name of the fraction part. We can also go the other way around, of course. Suppose I want to write the mixed number 2 and 1/2 as a fraction. Well, I'll draw my number line, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then this unit between 2 and 3, I'm going to divide into 2 equal parts. Here's 1/2. This point then is 2 and 1/2. What fraction is it? Well, it'll be the same kind as this fraction part. It will be some number of halves. How many? Well, I split each unit before into 2 equal parts. Here I have 0/2, 1/2, 2/2, 3/2, 4/2, 5/2. 2 and 1/2 is 5/2. I'm going to have you try one of these too. What fraction is 1 3/4? Figure this out by drawing it on the number line. Pause the video and try this now. Alright, well, here I have a number line showing the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. To draw 1 3/4, I'll need to divide this unit from 1 to 2 into 4 equal parts, and then count out 1, 2, 3 of them. Here I have 1 3/4. What fraction is this? Well, it's going to be the same kind, fourths, so I'll need to split my other units into 4 equal parts as well. There we go. And I'll have 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, and 7/4. There it is. 1 3/4 is the fraction 7/4.